Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to check net spend balance by text. In order to check your net spend balance by text, you must first enroll in Anytime Alert through your online account, center or mobile app. So once enrolled, you want to text BAL to 22622 to receive your current balance instantly. So actually what you want to do is just open up your messaging app, the text SMS app. Here it is. Then you want to go ahead and select start chat and type in to whom. So this is going to be for 22622. This is going to be the receiver's address. All right. Now that you've done this, you want to type in BAL. Make sure that all of these texts are capitalized. Once you've done that, you will be able to view the card and a savings account balance once you send it. And next, if you want to view the information regarding your most recent transaction, you have to type in LAST. And in order to view details of your 7 most recent deposit, you want to type in DEP. Make sure that these texts are all capitalized or in uppercase. And next, if you want to get your routing and an account number, you could simply type in direct in a full capitalized word. And that's how you could check your net spend balance by text. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.